son!
I'm like nervous. Okay. It's a.
Can I do the noise?
Mm-hmm.
Even if you give me a treat.
Well, I hope you'd love me even more if I gave you a treat.
Do you like this bright yellow sun?
I love it.
And his head is gonna smack open. Oh, hi.
That's a big eye. That looks beautiful.
It looks so cute.
Saved him though. Double doors one.
Something that could go against Justa.
Open up the clothes.
Somebody ate it in. There's a past that looks somebody drew it.
Who is it? How can she speak parcel tongue? Oh, that could be so good. It's a Luna, is that what he's saying?
Don't wake up.
Here we are at the dentist's office. Anyway, oh, well, here's the other pictures. So she put the picture in there.
Okay, you got the paperwork signed, right?
Yes. But look, you can see, look at that little nose sticking up.
It's like your nose.
Oh, you think so? I thought it was more pointy like yours. But yeah, you can see there's the nose and lips right there. There weren't very many pictures, honestly. Like, you can't really see much.
Oh, there's a little foot. There's the other little foot.
More feet. Yeah, there wasn't much, honestly. They didn't take very many like pictures, I guess. But I had to go back because they couldn't see the arteries or whatever or something that go into through the umbilical cord. They couldn't see them very well, and they need to be able to see that
To make sure that everything's working, right?
Yeah, so
We're finding
we're
out
about
right
to find
now.
out. I'm like nervous. Anyway, okay. So, oh, she folded it too.
It's a girl!
It's a girl!
You got a little sister!
He's mad. He's mad. Oh my god, it's a girl? Oh my god. I can't believe it's a girl.
Well, there
I'm
you go.
actually really surprised.
We have one of each now.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're having a girl.
That's exciting, baby.
Oh my god.
Cool.
Got all that. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Oh my god, I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe that it's a girl. I totally expected it to be a boy. Absolutely expected it to be a boy because I'm like, now I'm not lucky enough for it to be a girl and to like be able to have both, you know.
Yeah, it worked out perfectly.
It's a girl. fun. Here, let me cut this tag off.
Ooh.
There we go.
Let me look. Let me look at him. You got better?
His tail is all fixed. See? No more stuffing coming out.